let's do this again. I just recorded the whole video again without connecting memory. So I'm gonna start again. Let's start with the daily. As we can see, like from last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, we've been pretty bullish. So I'm not gonna mind if we go a little bit deeper tomorrow to take out this fair value gap, and then on Friday we start moving higher. So this is the one thing to notice, like this daily fair value gap, which is also a previous daily low for us, and as we are pretty close to the all-time high, so even though there is a high, there is also a chance like we might not come visit this fair value and just keep going higher. But the way price acting now, as you can see, we just took out the 4-hour gap and just start moving lower, but we are holding in this place, which was our New York AM fair value gap. So there might be like still a lot of buyers here. So I'm surprised like we just go down to take down the low. Take down the low on London. We can go a little bit deeper and then come back on New York AM session. I hope, but how the price is moving right now, as we can see, like we just embraced this 4-hour fair value gap, and we are having a really good reaction from this fair value gap. So at least we are clear until this. So what also can happen is we keep consolidate until London, like stay in this area until London, and then when New York open we just go down, take it out, and then keep going higher. There's a couple of scenarios I'm looking for, but also keeping in mind that we're pretty close to all-time high, so we just might just take it out and then keep going higher. Yeah, so these are the things to keep it in mind. Nothing much. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, let's see. Yep, I think I covered almost everything for what I'm looking for tomorrow. Yep, daily covered. Let's see on weekly. Yeah, weekly being pretty bullish. After this kind of candle we created on weekly, I'm pretty sure we're gonna take the high this week or later the next week. So monthly is also pretty bullish. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen, but overall bias will be either this or either this. Pretty simple. The one thing I noticed these days, like the more less things you see when the market opens, the more effective the trade becomes. So what I used to do is, like when the market opens on New York Open, I used to check every hour the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour 15 minutes. But now when I know my daily bias, like okay, I'm looking for this place, this place, this place, whatever place. Like suppose I'm looking for this area, then I only started looking for the time frames only when the price into that area. So that's a really important thing for me, because the more I look into different time frames, the more I feel like it gets me confused. So the more or less time frame you look into, it's much better it is. And yeah, that's it for tomorrow. I'll talk about the recap tomorrow night. Peace.